No, yeah, I hear you. Two of them over here. Oh, I got him through the wall!
No way!
Yo! That's great.
I'm trying to watch the body if you can.
I just lost my dark side, but there's nobody else there. Not
I
on
hear
that
him.
body.
No, they're here. They're him.
He moved from the body, though. He's over here on this side.
Oh my god, damn it.
No, I think it's a visual bug that I'm getting over there. It's not him moving.
What about the bees? That sucks.
Out here.
Okay.
Yo, I just hit that Sparks guy out there 2 times with the Mosin. He didn't die.
Bullshit. He's going for the res.
Oh, dude, oh, shit. I got stuck for a sec here. No!
Nice.
No! What is
Everyone's over
going
here.
on, dude? I've never been that lucky in my fucking life.
Picked up the bounty. Yeah, it's just one.
Did you just
He
get
alt
him?
F4'd. He alt F4'd, dude.
No,
Bro.
I didn't. No, I
You hit him?
headshot him. What?
These dudes
No.